biggest thing that India has done for the
Ready?
Very good. Get the go.
Sir.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Yay! Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
7 years essentially have been, how is it that gifting can become more meaningful? What does that mean? That means that from mithai, right? Suddenly जो Indians don't sit there, right? And that
बहुत ही इनोवेटिव कॉन्सेप्ट है इन टर्म्स ऑफ थिंकिंग समथिंग विच नोबडी हैज थॉट ऑफ like we were talking about, gifting is a very big industry in itself, and every time whenever we need to gift anything to our loved ones, we always are short of options in terms of what can I give which is something meaningful, which is of some value. And that is where it makes more sense to think of something which is so valuable. आप ना ही अपने loved ones को, you can give it to your family, you can give it to your friends, and they will cherish and then they'll be able to use it.
So this is a very unique thing that has happened in the industry today. The way I look at it is that anything that is for the first time and anything that is done for going to the market, I think that will always have the long-term impact and the credibility. Point number 2, I would also like to say is that we have never thought how to make the awareness. With the government's clear agenda and a strategy, insurance for all by 2047, I think this is a very unique way to actually get into the masses and distribute this through a unique gifting policy. So if you look at it, it fits well with the government's agenda, insurance for all till 2047.
so इस कार्ड में wellness perks embedded हैं advance में. So there are certain wellness perks, including global wellness perks that are embedded. यानी कि आप पूरी दुनिया में कहीं पर भी घूम रहे हैं और आपको अगर ज़रूरत पड़ी डॉक्टर से बात करने की या प्रिस्क्रिप्शन की, कोई भी मेडिकल इमरजेंसी, दैट इज़ एम्बेडेड. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ अ प्रोपोजिशन हैज़ कम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया. नॉर्मली सारे कार्ड्स के साथ में डेबिट कार्ड, अधिकतर कार्ड्स डेबिट या क्रेडिट कार्ड्स के साथ में इंश्योरेंस होता है, बट वो जो इंश्योरेंस होता है उसकी यूजेबिलिटी बहुत कम होती है. तो हमने उसी थॉट को थोड़ा ओपन कर दिया है और इस कार्ड में कुछ और बेनिफिट्स ऐसे डाले हैं, जैसे कि अबव अ सर्टेन वैल्यू देयर इज़ अ कवर श्योर कॉन्सियर्ज विद दिस कार्ड. उसमें कवर श्योर कॉन्सियर्ज का प्रोपोजिशन ये है कि आपकी बेसिकली सारी इंश्योरेंस की प्रॉब्लम्स हमारी, आपके इंश्योरेंस आपको रिन्यू कराना चाहिए कि नहीं उसके बारे में कॉन्फिडेंस देना हमारा काम. आपको ये बताना कि उसमें क्या चीज़ नहीं है या क्या और लेने से आपकी शायद फ्यूचर की रिस्क कवर हो जाएगी, दैट इज़ अपॉन अस. आपको क्लेम्स में गाइडेंस देना इज़ अपॉन अस. So there are those kind of benefits which are embedded with this. To the best of my knowledge, this is nowhere in the world,
Okay.
but that's to the best of my knowledge.
Thanks so much.